What's up? Danny Hayasaka with Cullen & Hell Direct, helping people do their business better. So we're standing at the Inogeni booth over at Enterprise Connect 2024, and Ryan Wilden is going to share with us some of the cool technology that they just released. Ryan, take
Absolutely,
it away.
yeah. Really excited to show you our Toggle Rooms innovation. This is brand new. We just announced this at ISE about a month and a half ago. It's shipping now. So what Toggle Rooms does is it takes our world-class and world-famous product, the initial toggle. The toggle switches between 3 peripherals and a room PC or a laptop. So you can connect a room PC like a Teams room or a Zoom room, but also come in and connect up a laptop, and when you connect that laptop, it switches all the peripherals over. What Toggle Rooms does is it kind of takes that to the next level. So it introduces HDMI switching, power for the laptop, and brings that all into one system.
Nice.
So we've got a system here from MaxHub that we're showcasing here at the show with our button. This is Toggle Rooms that you have here behind us, but you've got a Teams room system, we've got a call, so we're going to come into the room, we're going to join the call. When we join the call, we get access to the in-room peripherals. So now we've got the camera in the room. But when I'm done with that call, I want to end this call and I want to use my laptop now to do a Zoom or a GoToMeeting or anything that's outside of that Teams environment. So now I can come in, I press a button here, all the peripherals, the cameras, the speaker bars, the microphones, etc., that are in that room, switch over to my laptop, and now my laptop can host the meeting. So it really just simplifies and makes that conference room experience very simple and allows you to connect the laptop. What's great about Toggle Rooms, on the back of the device, there's 100 watts of USB-C charging, so you plug in that single cable to your laptop, really simplifies the connection. A host laptop connection for a legacy device. Some people want to put a wireless device like a Barco QuickShare or anything like that. And then this is where your room PC or your Teams room would connect. And then obviously there's where all your peripherals connect. We support up to 1.8 amps there, so you can connect 2 cameras, speakers, etc., and that's supported. We also have a display out, which is what you see on screen here, and the share out. So when you connect your laptop for a regular Teams call, all of the content from your laptop is now ported out to that share out, so you can share content into that Teams meeting.
All right.
So, yeah.
Well, that is pretty cool. And all you got to do is press that button.
Exactly. And then we obviously have a wide array of devices for camera switching as well. We've got our Share to You that allows you to connect and mix 2 cameras on screen at a time, USB or HDMI. We've got our Cam 300, which allows you to switch up to 4 cameras, and then a whole kind of array of converters that switch, or rather convert, HDMI to USB for video conferencing applications and extend USB. So when it comes to USB and the conference room, we've got a wide array of products that support your conference room needs.
All right, so there you go. Thank you so much, Ryan, for sharing that with us. If you want to learn more, we're going to put information on Inogeni in the description box below. And as always, if you like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.
Thank you.